Hello and welcome. Today I'll guide you through the first and most important step into the world of cryptocurrency, registering on the Bitget exchange. I'll explain everything clearly and simply so even beginners won't get confused. Ready? Hit that like button and let's begin. Step 1. Go to the website. Click the link in the video description. This is the official Bitget website. Only through this link and with the promo code FB33 will you receive up to $8,000 in bonuses on your first deposit. Step 2. Choose your registration method. On the registration page, choose how you want to create your account, either via email or phone number. Step 3. Create a password. Your password should be strong, at least 8 characters, ideally including numbers and special symbols. Make sure to write it down somewhere safe so you don't forget it. It's simple but important. This is your gateway into the crypto world. In the next steps, we'll cover confirmation, security settings, and your first trades. Stay tuned. Tick the box next to I agree to the terms of use and privacy policy. This is a standard formality. You're confirming that you accept the platform's rules. Click create account to proceed. Check your email. Bitget will send you a message with a 6-digit confirmation code. If you don't see it, check your spam or promotions folder. Copy the code, return to the Bitget site, and paste it into the required field. Click confirm, and your account is now created. Why is Bitget a great choice? Founded in 2018, Bitget ranks among the top 10 exchanges by trading volume on CoinMarketCap. No KYC required, you can trade and withdraw funds without verification. Low fees, P2P, 0%, spot trading, 0.1%, futures, from 0.06%. Multiple ways to earn, spot trading, futures with leverage up to 125, copy trading, mirror the trades of professionals, trading bots, automate your strategy 24/7, staking, earn passive income. BGB token increases in value and provides discounts and bonuses. Top-level security, cold wallets, multi-layer protection, and transaction monitoring. Check the video description. You'll find useful links, bonus info, and step-by-step guides. Securing your Bitget account. Enable 2FA. To keep your funds safe, it's essential to activate two-factor authentication, 2FA. It's a simple yet powerful way to protect your account from unauthorized access. How to enable 2FA? Click the profile icon in the top right corner. Go to settings or account management. Find the security section. Select two-factor authentication or Google Authenticator, then click enable. Download the Google Authenticator app on your smartphone, available on App Store and Google Play. In the app, tap the plus icon to add a new account. On Bitget's website, a QR code will appear. Scan it with the app or enter the key manually. Important, save the key in a secure place. You'll need it to recover access if you lose your phone. Enter the 6-digit code from the app into Bitget and click confirm. While you're here, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. It helps YouTube recommend future content to you. Completing verification, KYC on Bitget. Unlock more features. Want to increase your withdrawal limits and access all platform features? Then it's time to complete KYC verification. It's optional, but it unlocks a lot of benefits. How to complete KYC? Click the profile icon in the top right corner. Go to settings, then find the verification or KYC section. Click start verification. Choose your verification level. Enter your full name and date of birth. Make sure it matches your ID. Prepare your passport or driver's license. Take a clear photo of the document. The text must be readable. Upload the photo. Complete facial verification. Follow the instructions. For example, turn your head or blink. Click submit and wait for the result. Without KYC, you can withdraw up to 20,000 USDT per day. With verification, the limit increases to 3 million USDT. If your photo isn't accepted, simply try again or contact support. Bitget is flexible and aims to make the process smooth for everyone. Funding your Bitget account. 3 simple methods. To start trading, you first need to fund your account. Bitget offers several convenient options. Let's go through each one step by step so you don't get lost. Method 1. Deposit with cryptocurrency, like USDT. Go to the wallet section, then click deposit. From the list, select USDT and choose the TRC20 network. Copy the generated Bitget wallet address. Open another exchange or crypto wallet where you hold USDT. Paste the Bitget address into the recipient field. Enter the amount. Important, make sure you select the same TRC20 network, otherwise your funds may be lost. Confirm the transfer. USDT usually arrives in your Bitget account within 5 minutes. Method 2. Deposit via P2P. In the Bitget menu, select P2P trading. Click buy and choose your local currency. Select a payment method like bank card. Find a trusted seller with a 90% plus rating and at least 400 completed trades. Enter the amount. The system will show how much USDT you'll receive. Click buy and transfer the money to the seller's payment details. After payment, click payment completed. Wait for the seller to confirm. USDT will be credited to your account within a few minutes. Method 3. Deposit via online exchange. Best Change. Follow the link in the description to Best Change, a platform that lists verified exchange services. On the left, select how you want to pay, like card, bank transfer. On the right, choose what you want to receive. USDT TRC20. Find an exchanger with a good rate and positive reviews. Enter the amount and paste your Bitget wallet address. You can copy it from wallet, deposit, USDT TRC20. Enter your contact info and payment details. Follow the exchange's instructions to complete the payment. USDT will arrive in your Bitget account within 5 to 30 minutes. Done. Your balance is topped up. Now you can buy Bitcoin and start trading. In the next step, I'll show you how to open your first trade. Stay tuned. Bitget bonuses. How to get up to $8,000 for signing up. If you register on Bitget using the referral link in the description and enter the promo code FB33, you'll unlock a generous bonus program to help you start strong. How it works. Deposit $1,500 into your futures account. Open and close a trade worth 500 USDT. That gives you a $1,000 trading volume. You'll receive $60 in bonuses to your futures account. The more you deposit and trade, the bigger the bonus. You can earn up to $8,000 in total. When are bonuses credited? Usually within a week. Most often, on Fridays. You can't withdraw the bonus directly, but you can use it for trading, and the profit you earn from those trades is yours to withdraw freely. Deposited less than $1,500? No worries. You can still benefit from other promotions. 10% cashback in copy trading, launchpads, and token giveaways. A chance to get new coins for free. All links and details are in the video description. Don't miss your chance to start with a bonus and trade with an edge. Withdrawing funds from Bitget. Fast and simple. Once you've made a profit or simply want to transfer your crypto, here are 2 easy ways to do it. Method 1. Transfer to another wallet or exchange. Go to the Assets section, then select Wallet. Click Withdraw. Choose the currency. For example, USDT, and select the TRC20 network. It's fast and has low fees. Copy the recipient address. This could be another exchange or a cold wallet like Trust Wallet. Enter the withdrawal amount. Confirm the transaction. Enter the Google Authenticator 2FA code. Enter the confirmation code sent to your email. Click Confirm. Funds will arrive within 5-10 minutes. Method 2. Via online exchange. Follow the link in the description to BestChange, a platform listing verified exchangers. Select what you're sending, like USDT TRC20, and what you want to receive, like USD to your bank card. Find an exchanger with a good rate and solid reviews. Enter the amount, paste your Bitget wallet address if needed, and follow the instructions. Send the crypto and receive the money to your card or chosen method. Extra earning opportunities on Bitget, beyond trading. Bitget isn't just about buying and selling crypto. It's a full ecosystem for earning. Here's what you can explore. Copy trading. Choose a professional trader and automatically mirror their trades on your account. Trading bots. Automated 24/7 trading. Buy low, sell high. Staking. Lock your coins, like USDT or BTC, and earn stable passive income. Launchpad and launch pool. Join token launches. Buy at low prices or earn new tokens for free. Candy Bomb and PoolX. Complete simple tasks and receive free crypto rewards. We break down all these features in detail in other videos on the channel. Subscribe so you don't miss out. Let your crypto work for you. We've covered the full journey, from registration to your first trade. Created an account in minutes. Activated bonuses with promo code FB33. Secured your account with 2FA. Funded your balance with ease. Bought Bitcoin. Learned how to withdraw funds. Overall, Bitget is a modern crypto exchange with an intuitive interface, low fees, and a wide range of tools for trading, investing, and passive income. Don't forget, when registering, use promo code FB33 to unlock up to $8,000 in bonuses on your first deposit. If this guide was helpful, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment with what you'd like to learn next. Wishing you confident trades and solid profits.